Hello everyone! In today's video I'll be showing you two different ways to have simple glamorous skull decor. It's so easy and so pretty and so cheap. So if you'd like to learn how to make these two types of styles of decor, please keep watching! Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is some skull heads from the Dollar Tree. So I had 4 different ideas that I wanted to play around with, so I have 4 different skull heads here. And what you want to do is you want to take a skull and spray paint them whatever color you want. So I have gold, silver, and white that I wanted to do, and you also want to have some gems, bedazzling stuff, some glittery things. So I have a bunch here that I'm planning to use. So you want to go ahead and first spray paint all of your skulls. So again, I did gold, silver, and white, and this one I'm just doing the gold right now. And I actually just even love how all of them look just by spray painting. If you wanted to just spray paint them and leave them as that, I'm sure that would look fine as well. And here is the result of them spray painted again. I absolutely love how they all look even just like this. So the first glam skull that I'm going to do is going to be a silver one, and I want it to be completely bedazzled. So I'm going to take these gems that I got from the Dollarama, and we're going to put it all over the skull's head in the back. So at first I started this. I did this horizontally. That did not work very well, so I do not recommend starting this horizontally. So what I did first was I put one strip right in the middle of the skull to make kind of like the standard baseline, and then it's really easy, as you can see what I'm doing, just to follow that line and just do that for each single one. Definitely way easier than doing it horizontally, and it, like, at least these gems, they fit so perfect on this skull. So there's the whole head done. I love how this looks. And now I'm going to take these gems, also from the Dollarama, and I'm going to apply them to the eye sockets to add a little bit more bling. And lastly, I'm taking another strip and I'm going to put it right over the teeth. These ones fit perfectly over the teeth, so just going to put the top and bottom to give it that extra little bling. Putting it on the top and bottom of the teeth. And there we go. Here is the final results of that one. So the second glam skull head is going to be pretty similar to the first one. It's just going to be less blingy. So all I'm going to do for this one is add some gems to the eyeballs with hot glue gun. It just secures it a little bit more better. And then just adding gems to the teeth, just like last time, and just for the top and bottom once again. And that's going to be it for this one. So this one's super simple and super easy to do, but I still think it looks super glamorous and still super beautiful and elegant. The third glam skull head is going to be the white one. So I'm kind of doing kind of the similar thing again. So I just added them in the middle, the eyes, the teeth, and I just kind of made this little pattern. You can put it however pattern you want to do it. So you can do the whole head, partial head, whatever you want. And the last one is this gold skull. So in my office, I have everything black gold. And so this one is just a gold skull, and I'm using black beads this time, some thick ones and small ones, to just do the eyeballs and the teeth. You can just even leave it at that. I actually really like it when I look at it now, just with the eyes and teeth, but I just added just a few more extra things there. And here is the final results of all of them. My first one that's super blinged out, I actually really like that, and I almost want to do that for all of them. That was my absolute favorite one. What's your favorite? Okay, so project number 2 is so stinking easy. What you're going to need is a plate from the dining section, a little tiny skull, so maybe pumpkin trinkets if you have any in your Dollar Tree, or whatever really decoration you want in there, and 2 candle holders. So what you're going to first do is you're going to put some hot glue on the rim at the top of the first candle holder. And then you're going to put the plate on top of that and secure that down. And you can use whatever color plate you want, and you can even spray paint this. I decided to keep it clear because I really liked how that looked. And then you're going to take the other candle holder and you're going to put some hot glue on the bottom, because we're going to attach this to the plate there, because we're going to make this the base of our skull. So then you're going to take hot glue again and put it on the top of the candle holder, and this is where you're going to put your skull. And then it's just really easy. You're just gonna take your pumpkins, or if you wanted to buy other little skulls, that would work too. I just thought the pumpkins were so cute and I wanted to put that around. With Halloween coming, I thought that was just adorable. So you just put that all around, and that's essentially it. And then if you want to take it a step further, I put some gems into the skull of the eye, and I'm taking my gems again and I'm gonna wrap it around the whole plate. So I'm doing the top part here, so I'm gonna just line the top part. I just wanted to add a little bit more bling, and I'm going to line up everywhere I can find. And so I put it around the top part, and then I put it on the side of the plate just to make it look even more blingier. So I really enjoyed this. So here is the final result of this, and I think this is absolutely so adorable and so elegant, but so glam all at the same time. So again, you can take out the pumpkins and use whatever you want. I just thought the pumpkins really work with the color scheme that I was going for, and also too, if you wanted to spray paint the candle holders and the plate, you're definitely free to do that. But yeah, you know, do whatever you want with this, but this is the basis of how you make this, and it's just so adorable. So thank you so much for watching. Please comment below and tell me which one you like. Till next time, bye!